Hello everyone, I'm Nur. In this tutorial, I will show you how can fix this error. This is the get genuine office. You can see action needed. Your license is not genuine, and you may be a victim of software counterfeiting. Avoid interrupted and keep your files safe with genuine office today. Okay, so when we open the Excel file, also Word file, also Outlook file, then this message is show. So today we'll show how can solve this problem very easy way. So to fix this problem, you need to go file and you just click on the options to you just click on general to you can click on privacy settings, to and click your privacy settings, then you get this windows, and you find is there optional connected experience. So you just unclick this enable options connected experience. You just unclick and just press is okay, and just press ok. Read this message: restart required, restart office to apply change to your privacy settings. Okay, just press ok and press again ok, and just close your all windows, the Word, Excel, and also others Microsoft functions. Then again open your Excel file, also Word file. Then maybe you cannot get this message. You can see this problem is fixed. You cannot get this message again. Thanks for watching.